Today is October 25th, 2022, invoice number V7595. We are video inspecting the dryer vent in the main property. Proceeding down video inspection now. The goal was to verify the type of material being ran inside the wall prior to any type of cleaning being performed. There's a lot of lint present within here. Pipe so far does appear to be ran in a rigid pipe. Multiple bends. Pipes seem to be going in the proper direction. A lot of lint. Lots of lint. We are approximately 24 feet in length. It goes directly up into the wall to the exterior roof. And that concludes the video inspection for the dryer vent.